Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve autoclose on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve autoclose on Facebook, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Facebook. As you see in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.